on, hold, pick it up, bigger. You gotta see. Okay, there you go. Don't do it that way, do it this way.
I'm gonna go show mom.
That isn't gonna ride on that. Just. Mom, yes. How is she taking you to play and dad to a concert? That makes no sense. What thing? I'm lost. She's taking dad to a concert tonight and you to a play? Is she two people? She gonna split herself in half? I said this is only because of GoPros.
You could put the camera on or whatever. That way.
Yeah, it's on.